Hello, good morning, बच्चों. In the previous video, I have calculated only time of flight, but in this video, I will calculate range as well as maximum height. In the you can see in the previous video, I have calculated only time of flight, but you can say first we will calculate range. बच्चों, tell me which equation we will use for the calculation of range. This is s equal to ut plus half at square, because we have already found out what is the value of time of flight. बच्चों, this is the range. Tell me in which direction we have to apply equation of motion. This is along the x direction. Okay, then what is this is sx, this is ux plus half into half of ax. बच्चों, tell me what is sx. This is sx means displacement along the inclined plane. This is range, you can say this is range. And what is the value of ux? You can say we already written everywhere everything. U cos theta plus alpha. This is u cos theta plus alpha. And what is the value of t? This is time of flight. This is 2u sin theta plus alpha. This is divided by g sin theta. G sin theta plus half. What is the value of acceleration along the x direction? Minus g sin theta minus g sin theta. And what is the value of t? This is 2u sin theta plus alpha divided by g sin theta. This is whole square. बच्चों, this is the thing. Now this is it's just calculation. इसके बाद जस्ट कैलकुलेशन है, यू कैन फाइंड इजिली. नाउ बच्चों, इन सेकेंड पार्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट मैक्सिमम हाइट. बच्चों, टेल मी लाइक जब मैंने ग्राउंड टू ग्राउंड प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में जब मैंने मैक्सिमम हाइट निकाला था, देन विच इक्वेशन वी विल यूज एंड व्हाट इज दिस इज वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. अच्छा, this is the maximum height. No, we have to apply equation of motion in the perpendicular to the inclined plane. This means we have to apply equation of motion along y direction because sy is h. Tell me बच्चों, what is the value of y at the maximum height? This is 0. And what is the value of uy? Velocity along the y direction. This is u sin theta plus alpha. This is u sin u square sin square theta plus alpha plus 2 into acceleration along the y direction. What is acceleration along the y direction? This is minus g cos theta minus g cos theta. And what is the sy? This is h. Also you can say here, calculate what is the value of h. This is u square sin square. This is theta plus alpha and this is 2g cos theta. बच्चों, this is the expression of maximum height and this is expression for range. Okay, thank you बच्चों. If you have any problem, you have any doubt, then you can comment on the comment section. I will reply. Thank you बच्चों.